Welcome to your first Go tutorial. First thing you do is to download a text editor, and we can get that from just go to Google, search for download VS Code. That's the one I use, and click on the button to download VS Code, and then you select your exact system. So you have Windows, you have Linux, and Mac. I'm using Mac, so I'll click here to download. And you need to know that there are extra things you need to know about your Mac. I'm using Mac Intel chip, so just click download. And getting started. So you may not know, but the download has started. If you look here, you'll see that my download is on. I'm going to pause this video, come back when the download is done. In case you're struggling with your own download, you can click here. Now, while the download is happening, I already have VS Code and it's updated. If you look at the bottom of my screen, you see that I have it. So, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So the next thing is we have to download Go programming language. All right, to download Go is easy. You just go to Google and type download Go, and you can specify your own computer. But what I want to show you is the Go official website. Look at go.dev. That is what it is at this moment in time. In future, they could change their website. So if you go to go.dev, all right, you can see download. And it will always read the latest number. You see 1.23. That's the latest Go version as of today. And just know that tomorrow, by the time you're watching this video, there could be more. So here you select your system. Okay, I'm using a MacBook, and then I will check. First of all, you will check whether Go is installed. Okay, so you go to your MacBook, open your Launchpad and type terminal. Okay, terminal. I have this terminal, and I'll do a clear. Sorry. So you can type Go and command not found. Go version command not found. Okay. So you can do brew list Go to check if Go is anywhere in the system. And of course, I don't have Go on this laptop. Now we're good to install Go. There are many ways to install Go, but the simplest way, of course, is just to download. So we're going to do the first version. Now, if you're using any of these systems, Mac or Windows, and this whole process of installing and setting up is not clear to you, just head over to YouTube, youtube.com, and then you search for how to install Go on. You mention your particular particular laptop, maybe Windows. Mine is Mac. Hit enter. You're going to see simple 5-minute YouTube tutorials covering exactly how to install Go. So it's easy. All right. Once you're done with your installation, you can get back to this tutorial and we'll continue. So here's a good example. Install Golang on Mac. You need to know the kind of Mac you have. This is not mine. Mine is more like Intel, Windows, Apple Intel. Yours could be Apple Silicon, depending on how new it is. All right. So you just find out a way to install Go. It's easy. So in my own case now, I'll try and proceed with here. Click on download Go. Opens the next page for me, and then it shows me for all the versions on all the computers, and the one I want is for Mac. Okay, Mac 64. Okay, you see Intel 64 bits. That's my own processor, and here you can see all other versions of Go in case you want to download older versions. All right, and I'll just click on this. The download is on. If you look here, you see that it's already downloading. So I'll pause this video until the download is over. And remember that if you downloaded VS Code, you should install it. It's just a text editor. You install it in your laptop, and then you carry on. The second way to install it is to go down to your terminal, and you run brew install Go. All right. If you run it like this, it's going to install the latest version of Go. If you don't have brew installed in your MacBook, just know that it's a package that helps you to install other packages, and you should have it. So you can head over to your Google and search for how to install Homebrew on Mac. And it's a very simple process. You go through the tutorial, the guide, and install it. You should be done in 2 or 3 minutes, you see. you click on this and then you install it. Then you can use brew to install Go. So you can say how to install Go with Homebrew. So Go installation is easy in any laptop. It just shows you the process. You click on this Homebrew formula. There are many other documentations you can see. As you can see here, it gives the simple instruction, brew, install Go, and that's it. It gives you the latest version of Go. All right. So I think we've exhausted the topic on installation of Go. So let's go and see how our download is doing. So our download is remaining a few seconds. So see you in a few seconds. Okay, so now our download is ready, and I have to go to Finder and install it. Remember, I downloaded it into my downloads folder. Look at it, and I'll double click and just follow through with the installation instructions. As you can see at the bottom here, it has started installing, and then I'll click continue. Install for this computer, and changing installation location now, install. And of course, this amount of space is needed. And I'll enter my Mac. Install software. Alright, my installation is complete, and I click close. Okay, move to trash. And that's it. This resolves our problem. So now if we go back to our terminal and type go, so the reason the command did not work is because this terminal, we need to restart it. Okay, so I can close and get back to my terminal and start the terminal afresh. So this is a fresh terminal, and now we can confirm that Go is installed. So if I do Go, it shows me this. All right, clear. If I do Go Go version, Go version. So this shows me that I installed Go 1.23. Remember that in your own time, the Go version must have improved beyond this. Okay, so I believe that we have seen how to install Go. Remember that you should install your own code editor like VS Code. And if you don't know how to install it, as usual, go to Google and search for how to install VS Code. It's easy. So now we are going to open our VS Code and start coding. See you in the next video.